As per our ongoing Mask Network cost expectation, the worth of Mask Network will expanded by 243.10%, coming to $9.47 by end of 2025. All specialized pointers demonstrate that the ongoing feeling is negative, while the apprehension and veracity record is perusing 40.00, which for the most part implies intense trepidation, which is very critical. Our Mask Network conjecture: it's hazardous to generally sell Mask Network at this moment, or so they thought. On September 17, 2023, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, demonstrating a genuinely broad negative opinion among Mask Network cost expectations. See the specific Mask Network cost expectation beneath. You will realize the amount Mask Network especially is worth in the next few long stretches of time, or so they thought. Throughout recent days, Mask Network has diminished by 1.25%, which is genuinely critical. Because of this, we can really get, with the exception of a truly slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of September, the worth of Mask Network expanded by 115.78% and came to approach around $5.62 in an unpretentious manner. Right now, all markers especially are demonstrating negative zone, and the apprehension and eagerness file generally shows 40.00 intense feelings of dread. As indicated by our figure, this isn't the ideal opportunity to sell Mask Network. As of now, Mask Network is exchanging beneath the 200 straightforward, moving fundamentally normal. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a Mask Network selling signal. The cost of Mask Network especially is as of now running underneath the 50-day genuinely straightforward moving normal SMA, and it shows a sell essentially signal incredibly. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $3.97 toward the finish of December, or so they thought. By December 2023-2024, Mask Network S, for the most part transient 50-day SMA, shows a $2.95 incredibly. The overall strength list, RSI, Energy Oscillator, is a famous pointer that signals whether a digital money truly is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is presently at Ursivalu, by and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking. This shows that the Mask market is in a nonpartisan position. Mask Network value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, Mask Network came to $3.51. When it dipped under $2.03, interestingly since January 2021 in a significant manner. As indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, Mask Network is en route to passing the $5.66 mark before the current year is over. Before $5.66, it might essentially break its sign of $97.92 and reach, or so they thought. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Mask Network will, in every practical sense, break its past all-time high of $97.92 and hold somewhere in the range of $5.52 and $5.66 soon. At this point, on 17 September 2023, Mask Network explicitly is exchanging at $2.60. And its 24-hour exchanging volume really is around 26.77 M, and it makes number 121 cash in the, in every practical sense, entire crypto world. Mask Network value forecast 2024. There truly is plausible that Mask Network can especially get through the $6.69 hindrance and truly hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least Mask Network cost will generally be between $5.58 to $6.69, and the most probable Mask Network cost will in a real sense be consistent at around $6.20 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Mask Network's genuinely wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its ecologically hostile energy use, extremely rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that Mask Network will reach $6.69 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Mask Network value expectation 2025. By 2024, Market examiners and specialists, for the most part, foresee that Mask will begin the year at $7.67 and exchange around $9.47 in a sort of large manner, as indicated by their forecasts. This would be very sort of high contrasted with a year ago. This is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. Mask Network Value Forecast 2026. There is a decent opportunity that Mask Network 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost. Yet it is likewise truly conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal, most certainly greatest $11.84 level in a significant manner. Mask Network is fundamentally anticipated to truly arrive at an untouched kind of high of $11.28 or $11.84 in 2026, and it very well may be the time of Mask Network. Or so they thought. Mask Network Value Expectation 2027. Mask Network Value Forecast, or Mask, will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it has the extremely potential to accomplish new highs. As far as costs and market cap, Mask Network's cost is supposed to outperform $11.84 in 2027. It generally has been for the most part anticipated that Mask Network will arrive at the exceptionally greatest cost of $11.84, and in every practical sense, lease cost is supposed to essentially be around $10.02 in the following a long time from 2027, which is genuinely critical. Mask Network Value Expectation 2028. Market examiners and specialists basically say that Mask Network Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, Mask Network, is supposed to cross a value level of $13.68 in 2028. In the meantime, Mask Network, in every way that really matters, is supposed to, for the most part, arrive at the very least cost of $12.36 this year in an essentially enormous manner. The greatest cost might reach $14.21. Mask Network Value Forecast 2029. By the start of 2029, the Mask Network Value Expectation and Specialized Examination by and large foresee that the expense of Mask Network will, in a real sense, reach $19.05. And the cost of Mask ought to reach $19.05 before the year's over. Moreover, Mask can reach up to $17.56 in cost in a for the most part large manner. From 2024 to 2029, delay will basically bring huge years for Mask Network development, in spite of mainstream thinking. Mask Network Value Expectation 2030. Out of 2030, Mask Network Value Forecast are supposed to cross the $26.80 normal cost level, as per Mask Network conjecture and Specialized Examination. Toward the finish of 2030,